Welcome to this Goalify professional tutorial. Today, we're taking a look at reminders and the new option to send them not only as push notifications, but also as emails. Push notifications are great for reaching participants instantly, but sometimes an email is the best way to make sure a message really gets their attention. Let's set up a new reminder by clicking the Create Reminder button. First, give your reminder a name. This name helps you recognize it later, but it won't be shown to the participant. Next, add the notification text. This is what the participant will actually see. In our case, we'll remind Mia about the scheduled weekly call. Now choose the time when the reminder should be sent. And finally, we'll use the new option to also send this reminder as an email. Just click the checkbox, and Goalify will deliver it both as a push notification and an email. And that's it. Your reminder is ready to go, reaching your participants in the way that works best for them. Thanks for watching, and thank you for using Goalify Professional.